Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use cloud storage on Android. Here are the steps to help you use cloud storage on your Android phone using Google Drive. First, open the Google Drive app. It's usually pre-installed. If not, download it from the Play Store. Sign in with your Google account. Use the account you want to store your files in. Tap the plus button, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Upload. Choose this to upload files from your phone. Browse and select files to upload. You can choose from photos, videos, documents, or other files stored on your device by tapping if you want one photo, or by holding one photo or video and another to choose multiple files at once. And then since I choose two, tap on the select in the top right. Wait for the upload to complete. A progress bar will appear. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or data. Create folders to organize files. Tap the plus, then choose Folder to create custom folders for photos, work, school, etc. Move files into folders. Optional. Tap the three dots next to a file. Move or make a copy. Select the destination folder. Tap on it, then hit select. Share files or folders. Optional. Tap the three dots next to any item. Then tap on copy link to share the link, or send the copy to send it via email, etc. Access files from any device. Go to googledrive.com on your browser. Lastly, free up space using free up space feature in the Drive app. Go ahead and tap the menu, the three lines. Then Settings. Then tap Manage Storage. Then Free up space or Clean up space to remove files already backed up. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.